Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create templates in Evernote. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Evernote web application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account in Evernote? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type evernote.com. That's going to take you to the official website for Evernote. Once you get into the website, follow the on-screen prompt to create your account or to log in using an existing account. Now, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Evernote. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's task, which is how to create templates in Evernote. Now from this homepage, head over to the left corner of your screen, you're going to find a couple of features: home, shortcuts, notes, tags, and even down to trash. Head over to the note option and click on notes. I'd like you to know that you can actually create a template from a note that you have created, or you can choose templates that are recommended for you. So, but this tutorial actually says create a template. So let's see how we can create a template from a note that we have created. These are my notes, and I got to journaling AFI. All right, and this is templates. Here I created lists, right? So this is a content that is made up of lists. And so let's say I want to make this a template that I can work with, so that when I'm creating a new note, it's going to be displayed as part of my recommended templates. So from here, I'm just going to head over to the top right corner of my screen where I have this three dots menu, the keypad menu. So click on that and you're going to see this extended menu or extended options. Share, email a copy, move, copy to duplicate. You have add to shortcuts, pin to home, copy internal link, and you have save as templates. Now this is what we're looking for. Go ahead and click on save as template, and you see that the process is just going to get started. Journaling AFI, oh sweet. So click on the save button, and once you click on the save button, you see this banner says creating template, and once it's done creating the template, you're going to see create template created from notes. Awesome, beautiful. So I'm going to open up a new note as though I want to create something new. So this is it. And let's say add more. So here you have a lot of templates that are available here. So these are like recommended templates. Okay. So these are templates gallery. So I'm just going to head over to my templates. And here I have my templates. So I'm going to click that. And here you go. So I can now edit this using this particular template to create a new content. Now remember, this is the previous, or this is the existing template. This is the existing template that I, recreated, or I created a template out of this. So it is here right now. So I can now edit this using this particular template that I created. So that's pretty much the process. This is how you can create a template in Evernote. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helps you search.